Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and today's question is a sample of 5 body weights in pounds is as follows. The sample median is, and you have to choose a correct answer. So first of all, let me remind you, what is a median? Median is a value in the dataset, meaning that 50% of the data points have values smaller or equal to the median, and 50% of the data points have value higher or equal to the median. But looking at this dataset, if you are going to choose answer as 132, this is going to be the wrong answer. So this number here in the middle of this dataset, but first you have to arrange this dataset in descending or ascending order. For example, we start with 110 as being the smallest value, then 116, then is going to be 124, then 132, and lastly 168. So as you see, now in this dataset, the correct answer, the median, is going to be 124, which is answer A. Just remember, in order to calculate the median in a sample, you first have to order the values. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.